Alright guys, now we're on to the next part. We got this piece of wood right here. Like I showed you in the previous video, 34 inches by 28. It's not exactly that outer piece where it sits on that 2-inch lip all the way around. It's not exactly 28 and it's not exactly 34. It's probably an 1/8 inch off, but that's good. It gives a little room for either just fitting it, plus if you wanted to put any vinyl wrap around it or anything. You got to remember that thickness too. It's always good to have just a little when you're dealing with something like that. So what I'm going to do here is cut an exact 34/28 of this, seeing how the other one is a little bit bigger. But we'll go from there and see what we can do on it. Alright, here's what we got so far on the loading wall. As you can see, you got the outline here of what goes in. Then there's that 2-inch piece where it fits in there flush. Right now I'm just building this lip up so we can fit that 6 pieces right here. Is exactly 4.5 thick. And what we're going to do is I'm going to take a router and run along here and cut out just enough to fit the edge of a 4-inch PVC pipe, 1/4 inch on both sides, and that's going to be the inner diameter of the PVC pipe. So 1/4 inch on both sides, 4-inch outer diameter. You got yourself 4 inches. Now I'm just gonna finish off going down through there. I mean, it's pretty solid. I mean, I know this lip looks like it's not much. It's not really gonna. The main part's gonna be this part right here because that's what's bolted in. But you know, I'm gonna go back in here, maybe put, because half of a 4.5 diameter is 2.25, and I'm gonna put a board in here just big enough for maybe round edge. So when I put the PVC pipe in, where it's cut at an angle, cut at halfway through, I can go in and drill straight through and give it a solid hold. But it's gonna be kind of similar to the way Keith Miller did his, cutting the 45s. Should fit right up, and yeah, we'll see how it works here. Just a lot of small, tedious work to go about doing this. Plus, I used on this a lot of smaller pieces up instead of like on the front piece here. As you can see, front piece is whole, but on the back here, you can see I just pieced it together. Still gonna have the same strength, screwed it all together, but alright, yeah. Port I made is in. Just gotta be bolted in now, but as far as that goes, it's pretty snug fit. Just gotta add the PVC pipe part to it. Alright guys, we got the port sanded down here. Probably got a few more little spots here and there to finish up as far as getting small pinholes if we were gonna paint this whole little port, the drop-in piece. But we'll find out exactly what we're gonna do as far as vinyl wrap or paint or whatever. Probably vinyl wrap and then paint the port. It's whatever Daniel wants to do as far as matching this badass interior. But yeah, as far as you see, we got some bolts up here in all 4 corners. These it's got lock nuts on the very back. That ain't going nowhere. Made it 4 so it's easy to take out. So as far as that goes, should do it for the port. Pretty sweet. Alright, it's hot as crap out here. It's humid. Been in here, I can like start sweating in like 2 seconds. That's how hot it is out here. But got that taken care of. I got another little trick I'm gonna do here. Save that for the next little video. But It will involve the inside in here, so just keep a update on it. So I'll catch up with y'all here later.